Hello and welcome to Environ Existences, your go-to channel for everything related to the environment and sustainability. Today, we're going to talk about biodiversity and its conservation mechanism and principles.
Did you know that biodiversity is the foundation of our planet's life support systems? It provides us with clean air, water, and food, and is essential for the functioning of ecosystems. However, human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and overexploitation of resources are putting biodiversity at risk. To save this biodiversity, we must follow some principles and mechanisms.
One of the most important dates in the history of biodiversity conservation is the adoption of the Convention on Biological Diversity, referred to as CBD, which happened on June 5, 1992.
This international treaty has been ratified by almost every country in the world and aims to promote the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. One of the key principles of biodiversity conservation is the precautionary approach. This means that we should take action to prevent harm to biodiversity even when there is uncertainty about the potential impacts of human activities. Another important principle is the polluter pays principle, which holds that those who cause environmental damage should bear the costs of remediation. To protect and restore habitats, we can create protected areas, restore degraded ecosystems, and implement sustainable land use practices. One example of a successful conservation mechanism is the establishment of national parks, which now cover around 15% of the world's land surface. Protected areas have been shown to be effective in conserving biodiversity, but they must be properly managed and enforced to ensure their effectiveness. Reducing our ecological footprint is essential for biodiversity conservation. The Basel Convention on the Control of Transboundary Movements of Hazardous Wastes and Their Disposal, adopted in 1989, aims to minimize the movement of hazardous waste between countries and ensure it is managed and disposed of safely. Local communities also play a critical role in biodiversity conservation, providing knowledge and participation.
In conclusion, biodiversity conservation is crucial for the health and well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. By following the principles and mechanisms we've discussed today, we can ensure that we preserve the rich diversity of life on Earth for future generations to come. Thank you for watching Environ Existences, and we'll see you in our next video.